Hey, guys, I am Sarah from Leave Your Best, and I will be showing you today how to run ads that are profitable for your niche, which are converting and can bring sales to your brand or business. Firstly, TikTok generated an estimated $9.4 billion in revenue in 2022, a 100% increase year-on-year. TikTok had 1.4 billion monthly active users in 2022 and is expected to reach 1.8 billion by the end of 2023. In China, TikTok is accessed by over 780 million users daily. TikTok has been downloaded over 3 billion times. TikTok is the best when it comes to getting conversions and sales. I will be guiding you on how to run successful TikTok ads that can help your brand. Let's dive in.
The first process: sign up for a TikTok advertiser's account. After signing up, I am in my account dashboard. This is how everything looks like inside if you ran Facebook and Instagram ads in the past. Almost same steps, but different strategies. Click on Custom Mode. After that, you choose your goals. For this video, we will work with the conversion goals because we need sales for our business. Different goals for different business. Everything will be explained at our Masterclass Online Bootcamp. Name your campaign. Toggle the CBO button, which stands for Cost Budget Optimization. Set your budget to $50. Name your ads group level. Choose promotional goal as website. Select placements as manual placement, antique only TikTok. Switch off user commenting and video sharing. Choose custom targeting. Choose the location of any country you want to target. For languages, for genders and ages, should be set to all. Household income set to all. For interest and behavior, it should be set to broad to get you the best traffic results. Set your date to start running ads. Choose day parting to select. When ads should run in a day. Click Next to go to the ads level. This is the ads level. I can rename the ads level. Choose my image and also choose TikTok account. I also add my creatives here. Fill out your ad's headline and ad's description. Put in your website link and select a call to action. Click Submit Ads. Ads is approved and ready to get you traffic.
Click the button to learn more via a live online Zoom class.